Okay, to start off this video, we're gonna get a few things out of the way. As you can see already, I got the brand new Bose Crushers on my desk. The 1080 ANCs. I don't really go for ANC headphones most of the time because I don't need active noise cancellation because I don't plan on wearing these unless I wear them to the gym. But a pair like this, I don't even want to wear them bad boys to the gym. I don't want to mess these up. These are gonna be a high quality headset and I want to make sure that they stay in pristine condition. That's just me. Rock them how you rock them. Now, also with these, I'm not really here for specs. That's a long-term video. This is the first impressions type of video, and you know, there's certain things that I wanted to do in this video, but we just gonna deep dive into the box and see what we got in the box. Let's also get this out of the way. When it comes to Skullcandy Crusher Evos or Skullcandy Crushers period, I'm in the building. This was the first pair that I ever bought and kind of got me on the hype train. I thought when I saw the outside of this box that these were black. I said this in another video already, but I thought these were black and I didn't plan on buying another pair. As you can see, I kind of wore them out and I had to buy a brown padding. So this is relatively new right here. I started wearing these to the gym. So that's the backstory very quickly on these. Skullcandy Crusher Evos. Absolutely amazing. I love them. Finally tracked down the black pair. They were out of stock for so long. I still have the original ear cuffs for these, so you know, they get a lot of wear, but again, a headphone like this is in a controlled environment for me. I'm not playing sports in these. I love these. I don't want anything to happen to them. So that's the backstory. I know about these headphones. I know what they bring. I've tried to let other people experience it. At the end of the day, as long as I know how awesome they are, I can tell people how awesome they are. But if they decide not to buy them or they can't afford to buy them, you know, it's out of my hand at that point. Yo, this is gonna be one of them videos, bro. I am hype, bro. Every time I do a Skullcandy video, I'm hype, yo. So a few concerns before we even get into the box. The box is kind of dented up, yo. It makes me think that somebody had these. Like, I know they just dropped, but I've never seen double-sided tape like this on any of my products. Normally the one is across here. It's almost like they found this box from a return and used the new box for the return, if that makes sense. It's kind of beat up, yo, and it was inside of a box. So I don't know. So I didn't go with the 720s because the 720s, from what I understand, are just like these, you know, just in a new design, a slightly new design. These are gonna have the new design and that Bose sound quality, that Bose ANC that is all hyped up. Anyway, let's get into the box, man. I'm hyped, bro. So we got the Unboxed Therapy knife. I still have this knife. Shout out to Unboxed Therapy. Y'all not the same, but I still love their channel, and it still was one of the channels that started, you know, me to doing these unboxings. I know I'm not around, you know, as much as a lot of other creators, but you know, I still love these unboxing videos. I still get products all the time and I want to share them with y'all. Holy smoke, here we go. Holy, wait, I want to experience that again. Wait, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna have to keep these close. I normally throw this away, but this is the first time I've had a new design on the Skullcandy, so you know, I'm gonna make sure that that doesn't go too far. Okay, oh man, off jump, the bag is going back to this design. I don't know if you guys remember the unboxing of the gray ones. When I unboxed the gray ones, it had a bag like this, and I still have that bag. When I unboxed the black ones, it had a cloth like satchel type of bag. They're back with this like raincoat type of material, those little chairs, those camping chairs type of material. We have a brown color matched aux cable, then we have a USB-C to USB-C charger, and we should be able to get audio from this cable as well. Maybe I can hook it up to my iPhone with this. I'm not sure, but I want to make sure that I test that out. If not in this video, in the next video. Oh yeah, and before we get to the headphones, man, inside of here is so nice, yo. That feels so good. I don't remember if the gray ones feel like that, man. I gotta find out now. Okay, I couldn't let the video end without figuring out what the old bag looked like. So this is the old bag. Here are the differences. You know, it's a little bit smaller. That's what I was about to say, but I couldn't really remember. The new one is a tad bit larger than the old one, but the old one gave you directions, and the inside felt about the same, but they had little components inside of there for your cables and stuff. So I always used to rock this. Used to always fold it over, clasp it together, together, and I used to be good to go. So let's see, do this one have pouches and stuff? No, it doesn't have anything to hold your cables. So you'll kind of just have to throw your cables in, fold it over like this, and then clasp it together. And this surprisingly never comes loose. So this is what I got with the black one. Yo, I don't know. I don't know if the budget went to crap. So it still has the logo and everything. You barely can see it on the sides, just like the gray one. But you know, you're not folding this up. You just kind of pull the little clasp area. It's good to see the jump in the quality that Skullcandy presents to us now. So this is the first pair I ever bought, high quality. Then I got this and I was like, what the hell? And I never used this. And then we back to the quality that, you know, that I deserve, you know? Okay, anyway, that's enough with the pouch. You already saw the cables that came with it. So that's everything that you get inside of here. Now the new one's a lot heavy, a lot heavier. I can really feel the weight difference. The ear cups are about the same. There's a new design inside for the ear cups. I see the drivers. I don't know if I could take that off, but anyway. All right, so we got a new design here on the sides, at least new to me. And then if we bring the older pair, so this is how the older pair looks at the bottom in comparison. Pretty much the same. The only thing that's different is that turning wheel. I like this, yo. I really, really like this. I don't know where they get this design from or who was behind the design change for this. This is a good look, yo. Which again, this is just first impressions and unboxing. I gotta find out what all these buttons are. Of course, I know this is USB-C to charge it up. That's where your aux cable goes. This is the Bluetooth button from what I'm understanding. You just hold that down to connect it and find it on your device. A custom button. So there's up, down, and then you can press this in. I gotta find out what that's for. And then of course, this should be for your bass. I can clearly see on here, you can't really see it because of the design. This is Mac, and if I turn it this way, that is like at the minimal for bass. These are the differences in the headbands. I like this design. I never had any issues. This was sweat proof underneath, and this appears to still be sweat proof. Not as high quality as these though. These are very thick. This is like plush almost. These are gonna be very delicate. I would definitely not wear these to the gym, yo. Also, the material connected to a metal frame, I'm not sure about that either. This with the suede went perfectly with the design, yo. No separation. Of course there's going to be wear and tear. If I wore them out of the house, I'm pretty sure accidentally dropped them. I don't really like that design at the top. It's metal attached to this material. I'm pretty sure it's some type of adhesive because you can't stitch it, and eventually adhesive is going to break down and tear. Maybe that's a quick repair, maybe, because I see some screws right here. You can kind of unscrew it maybe and get a replacement, but long term, that's something that I'm going to be looking at. Now, is it worse than the AirPod Maxes? Hell no. I'll let you know about audio in the next video. I'll let you know what these buttons and everything are doing and how I utilize them, or will I even utilize them in the next video. And of course, by then I'll have some sound quality tests and I'll be able to tell you guys that in the video as well. Maybe go around and get other people's opinion on what they think about them. But anyway, this your boy Tate. Until next time, thank you guys for viewing. I'm gone. Peace.